Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list of products in Excel, and next week I'm going to show you how to return a price based on what you select in your drop-down. I currently have a list of products including t-shirts, tote bags and vest tops. Alongside them I have their relevant prices. First thing I'm going to do is highlight all of these values and create a table. In Table Design, I'll click in the box under Table Name and name my table Product Table. Remember, you can't use any spaces. Press Enter to save. I'm now going to highlight only the values under Product that I want to view in my drop-down. This time, instead of selecting the box under Table Name, I'm going to select the Name box, which is to the left of the formula bar. To change your name in the name box, you just click into the box and the text is highlighted, type over it with a name. For this I'll use product list, no spaces, and then to save press enter. The name in the name box will likely change back to the name of the table, but don't worry, if you click the down arrow in the name box you should see product list and product table. We're now going to create our drop down list. Click into the cell that you want your drop down list to be in, click into the data tab, and in the data tools section find data validation. Under Allow, select List. Then, click into the source box that appears and tap on the F3 key. If you're using a laptop, you may need to hold down the function key, which is Fn, and then tap the F3 key. This will bring up your product list, which you can select, and then click OK. Click OK again, and now you'll see an arrow to the right of your cell. If you click on it, it will bring up your drop-down list where you can select a product.